It was evening. Jesus had just fed thousands with 5 loaves and 2 fish. Afterward, he told us to get into the boat and go ahead of him, while he went up on a mountain to pray. By the 4th watch of the night, maybe 3 or 4 a.m., we saw something, or someone, walking on the sea. At first, we were terrified. "It's a ghost," someone cried. But then we heard his voice. "Take courage. It is I, don't be afraid." I called out, "Lord, if it's really you, command me to come to you on the water." And he said, "Come." I stepped out of the boat. The water held me. I walked toward Jesus. But when I saw the wind and the waves around me, fear crept in, and I began to sink. "Lord, save me," I cried. Right away, he reached out his hand and caught me. "You of little faith," he said. "Why did you doubt?" When we got into the boat, the wind stopped. Everyone in the boat worshipped him and said, "Truly, you are the Son of God." I've thought about that night many times. I walked on water, not because I was strong, but because I trusted his word. And I sank, not because the sea was stronger, but because I took my eyes off him. That night taught me something I'll never forget. When you fix your eyes on Jesus, even the impossible becomes possible. But the moment fear becomes louder than faith, you begin to sink. Still, he didn't let me drown. Even in doubt, even in fear, he reached out and saved me. So if you're in the middle of a storm, if the waves are high and your faith feels small, remember this. It's not the size of your faith, it's the one you put your faith in.